but he got him early with 2 personal fouls, so that helped him a lot. Pringle. Oh, yeah.
Siguro dalawa na nga butatan ni Greg. Nag-adjust doon ng pilit si Durham. Brownlee.
Yan ang problema ng Meralco kumpara sa Ginebra. 3 points.
Mer wants it at the corner. It ends up with Newsom. Newsom is open. AD to the corner. Quinto all night.
Remember, those were the shots he made against TNT at that spot. May oras pa.
He looks to reset the attack. Hodge to the left side. It is Newsom who lights it up. Thompson sinisipat kung merong advantage. Brownlee says, eto na yan!
Quinto, no? Try to get some more scoring on from the players.
Amer from deep lights it up. Newsom again. Gives it up. Almazan, nakaisa na kanina yan.
Nakalawa na.
Double-double na para kay Raymond, 18 and 10 so far. Newsom punches it through. Thompson penetrating. Naibit, lalabas kay JB.
Yes.
Money.
Defended by Brownlee.
And coming off a timeout.
And then plenty of time to shoot.
Greg back to Scotty. Off the curl, kicks it out. Chop it from deep. Punches it through.
Justin Brownlee looking to continue. Yun ang nangyari as JB. Pinto for 3. Big shot para kay Nard.
Motor and Japet Aguilar.
Oy, libre na naman. Nards na naman! Pangatlong tres na yan ni Pinto sa first quarter. Top of the key. Using that big body, but Hodge is there to save it. Nards na naman!
This is what we were talking about, Meralco ball.
What about the stat from our statistician, Roy Lopez? After that,
You can see Ginebra now slowly, after forcing turnovers, they get a run.
that was a big shot.
Discipline there in the block of Raymond Almazan. 0 out of 4 Bakamo sa game 1. Here's the switch again.
What a pass. Amer.
Oh, what a sigh of relief for Baser finally.
Piniente. Pringle. Good look.
Oh, and one.
Oy, big shot yan.
3 points.
A potential 4-point play for Barangay Ginebra.
That Ginebra will explode.
There you go.
Talking about LA Tenorio.
30 years, so that's a long time to have it as a screensaver.
You know, That's Mamba mentality for you. Just let Stanley Pringle joining the party.
Here's Ginebra with a chance to trim it down. Pringle!
No! Getting the job done.
Amer Babawi. The lead swinging back to the ball. Big shot from Baser.
There is usually won by Ginebra. Oh, this guy. Single-handed. He's been relentless in attacking the rim.
Another 3 from Meralco.
They're just waiting for Alan Durham to attack.
Founder, that's from Founder Country. Founder letting it fly. Tried to break the rim. Got up for 3.
Big break for Meralco. Up a while ago against Stanley Pringle.
Jamie Babawi. That's
That's a big defensive adjustment for Ginebra.
Newsom, top of the key. Another big shot for
Ni Aljun Mariano.
Amer found himself wide open. Oh! Big shot from Baser. But Bulls want to add more to it. Amer!
Oh boy! Oh boy! Wow!
Ginebra back on offense. Brownlee looking for 3.
Oh.
Dagat sumagot. It's a miss. Thompson the board. 5 seconds remaining. Piniente for 3.
One guy who's been solid for the Bulls, consistently solid, Raymond Almazan.
It's an 11-0 run mula sa Meralco Bolts. Down 19-7. Now not just a 1 point. They make it for Jeffrey Brownlee.
Percentage niya of knocking down that outside jumper as compared to when he just catches and shoots.
Ayun katulad na. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Newsom 3. Gets it to go! Out on the other side. He's the first one down. Jeff didn't take the shot. LA's open.
Remember the stop.
Thompson lobbed it for Jumper. I'm not ready to jump. They swing it around. Pringle 3.
He's there, happy to be on the lineup and be able to contribute when he's called upon.
Sized him up. Yan ang ginawa ni Pringle.
You want them to be able to last all the way to the end.
Brownlee. Nakita si Pringle. Sends his feet. Let's go from 3.
Now in the third quarter, it's about unleashing Stanley Pringle. Stands the man here in the third.
Durham will attack. Kick out to Pinto. 3 is good.
Now needs to get some points on the fast break, but they're first to get down.
Travis Jackson 5 points in a row. And other guys followed suit, and it's just changed the entire complexion of the game. And maybe the series, let's see. Because very marami sama naman nun, hindi sila spotless. Nalarong ito, atin sa atin ang Cobra Vitamin C na kasaproteksyon. Cobra #1 energy drink. LA!
3-time best import Alan Durham. Inatake si Brownlee, sabay kick kay Quinto, and Bong delivers from deep. Brownlee on the attack, dun sa kaliwa. Thompson wide open. Goes to the crossover. Stan kicks it to the corner. Dillinger extra pass to Thompson. JB with some daylight.
Feeling no pain. He's just winded out and also feeling a bit fatigued. Sabi ni Coach Jacob, talagang walang mararamdamang pain.
Pringle, Tenorio, Aguilar, Thompson, and Brownlee. LA breaks the zone with a 3. And this time he drives closer. Extra pass to Stan.
Ginebra has come out with 2 straight pagkakataon rin na Ginebra palakihin yung lamang.
AD is open. Bounces it home. Slaughter, high post, goes cross court to Dillinger. JD lights him up. Ginebra makakapagbaon. Pringle up and he pass. Gets it back at the corner. Min and Mariano. Thompson has 15 points this game. And you knew it. Mark Aguila born to... Durham punches it
I
through.
think the problem there is they're not really comfortable with that play. Oh, Mark!
Tenorio looks inside, nobody to go to. Opts to go to Pringle. He'll launch from right. Goes! Amer slows it down. Amer launches from long distance. Connects!
You see his field goal percentage. Also, his three-point numbers have gone down. And so far, in terms of turnovers, Meralco nakaka-7, ang Ginebra nakaka-5.
Amer with a huge three.
To look for someone who will be able to get the shot off. And here's another shot coming from Amer. There it goes again.
It's hard to use him. Challenges Brownlee, but doesn't put up the shot. Quinto shot aims, nails it.
And that allowed Meralco 7 more attempts from the field. And even if they're scoring a lower shooting percentage, they're making it up with volume.
The clock is down to 3:49 here in the third. LA launches. Towards Ginebra, looking now to increase a 1-point lead.
Well, we all know about the fabled Barangay Ginebra third quarter storm.
The shot's not working for Meralco. Maliksi. Granted.
They need to find ways to be open, and if they are, they shouldn't be afraid to pull that trigger. Specifically, binigyan niya ng instructions si Aline Maliksi to just keep on taking shots.
Ginebra with a big 30-18 third quarter. Brownlee corner flip. Yes!
X-mark yun at the end of the half because they only had 12 assists. Ngayon, nakaka-25 assists na.
How much can you do with it? This much.